Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to reset Windows to factory settings. First, you need to back up your data. Before performing a factory reset, make sure you back up all your important files, documents, photos, music, videos to an external drive, cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive or another safe location. Next, open Settings and go to System, click on Recovery, and in the left menu select Recovery and click Restart this PC. Then you can choose the restart option you want. Is it keep my files, which means the option remove apps and settings but keeps your files, personal files, or is it remove everything? This option completely erases all data from your drive, including personal files and installed apps. Then you can choose how to reinstall Windows by choosing cloud storage, cloud download, which is the recommended one, which will download a fresh copy of Windows for Microsoft Server, or locate reinstall if available using the existing Windows installation files on your computer. Once you're through with that, you proceed with the reset. Follow the on-screen instruction carefully. The reset process may take some time. It's important to note that if you're using a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, the activation process should be automatic after the reset. Also, after the reset, you need to reinstall any drivers for your hardware, e.g. graphics card, network adapter, and your preferred software. Please, factory resetting your computer will erase data, so always back up your important files before proceeding. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you understand how to factory reset your Windows computer. Thanks for watching.